Hi everyone, in here our Bible verse for today is all about Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9. For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not by yourself. It is a gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. So sa Tagalog, sapagkat sa biyaya kayo'y iniligtas sa pamamagitan ng pananampalataya, at ito'y hindi sa pamamagitan ng inyong sariling, ito'y kaloob ng Diyos. So, hindi sa pamamagitan ng gawa upang sa sino man ay huwag magmalaki. So, yung verse po natin, sinasabi dito, yung salvation natin is not depends on the good work of the human. So, it is a gift of God na matatanggap natin because of sa awa ng ating Diyos. Binigay niya yung kaisa-isa niyang anak for our salvation, at marireceive lang natin yun through Jesus Christ sa pamamagitan ng faith natin. So it's the salvation, it's a gift from God, and salvation is not from ourselves, it's not by the works of the human, it's by the faith that you have to our God. So believe and be saved. The only thing that can save you is the way you have the faith and believe to our God. So do not add anything of it. Do not add anything of the faith. Hindi mo na kailangan alamin pa or gawin pa kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang religion na gawin mo to, dapat ganyan-ganyan. Everything is a false data. The only thing that can save you is your faith. Prove our salvation is by good words. So, bilang pasasalamat sa salvations na meron tayo, yun yung gumawa ka na maganda as exchange. Pero it doesn't mean na by doing works dun ka masasave, dun yung salvation mo. It's not. Kailangan clear sa yun that in God's grace we have a gift of salvation, and that is makukuha mo when you have faith into our Jesus Christ. So, kailangan clear po sa atin to. And bilang Christian, yung Holy Spirit help us to decide sa buhay natin para everything na magdi-decide tayo, meron tayong guidance ni Lord, and that is through the help of the Holy Spirit. So I want to share this simple prayer. Father, thank you for your salvation that you've given us, because you are the only way to save